Welcome to day one of my 365-day challenge to design and fabricate a new part every day using my fiber laser. At the end of each week, I'll pick the most popular product and make it available on my website to buy. Follow along to see what I come up with. For day one, I'm keeping it pretty simple. My wife gave me some new records for my record player. I love them, and I wish I had a better way to display them in my office, so I decided to fix that problem today. I am making a bracket for my records to sit on the wall. It'll be bolted with just drywall screws since my office is plywood. Right now, I'm drawing out the initial design on Fusion 360. Then I'll come over to my 2 kilowatt laser table. I'll zero it in and I will load the program and the sheet onto the laser table. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. This is a 2 kilowatt laser doing the cutting, and it's got nitrogen as an assist gas. We're going to go ahead and speed that up a little bit. We went ahead and made 2 of these because I have 2 records that I wanted to display on my wall. I am here just cleaning up the swarf that was off the back side of it. This laser is not 100% dialed in, and I'd like to work on that a little bit, but it is pretty close. And so right there, I'm just bending up the tabs. I would use my brake press, but I was in a little bit of a hurry, so I decided to just put some relief cuts in it, and since this is such a small project, it wasn't a big deal. So I went ahead and I bent that up. It bent up pretty nice. I cleaned it up with the grinder a little more. And then I shot it with a little bit of black spray paint behind the scenes. So right there, I'm just going ahead and I'm looking at where I want to put it on the wall. And I'd really like to take and hide this cord a little bit better. I've always hated having the power cord just kind of hung out in the middle there. I tried to make it clean and like make it a feature in the office, but it never did work out really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it up the best I can with these 2 records. And then underneath it, I'll go ahead and put the record player, and I'll put the speakers to my record player on a table that I bring in later on. I really love how this project turned out. I couldn't be happier with the results. Stick around for day 2. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback on what you think of this challenge, what parts you think we should build next, and what you'd love to see come out of this shop.